Welcome friends. We are living in crisis. There are many like COVID, hybrid war, poverty and others like terrorism and extremism. Climate change is most dangerous crisis for poverty class of the world. Climate change consists of two factors. There is corruption of atmosphere and global warming. These factors make climate change. The atmosphere is gas, air surrounding the planet. That is our green house. The industrial waste in form of gases and burning of carbon fuel has corrupted atmosphere by addition of poisonous gases in the air. The air is polluted. Pollution of the air is corruption of atmosphere. We have added poisonous gases like carbon dioxide, methane, sulfur oxide, nitrous oxides, acid vapors, and other poisonous metals as lead. The atmosphere is changed due to emission of poisonous gases that is known as greenhouse emission. The thickness and density of the atmosphere is increased and it is made poisonous. As a result, the atmosphere absorbs more heat and it traps heat energy. The atmosphere is now hot more than normal. Consequently, the land is also hot. The temperature of the land has increased. This is called global warming. Now we may simply define climate change. It is global warming and corruption of atmosphere with poisonous gases. We are facing negative effects of climate change. These are social, economical and biological. Temperature of the world was 15 degrees centigrade before industrial revolution. It got up to 33 degrees centigrade after Industrial Revolution. Now it is increasing and it is expected to go up 2 degrees centigrade more. That is, with bad effects on life of the planet. The feedback is negative effect of climate change. In social aspect, we expect and we see that glaciers are melting at high rate. So we face floods, storms, and rising level of water in sea. The coastal cities may be affected and the population may suffer translocation and migration. In economy, the climate change is affecting production of crops. The seasons are changed and the agriculture is affected negatively. The yield is decreasing. That may cause food insecurity. And biological disaster, we can see that under the effect of climate change, many species have died. They are facing extinction. Many species are under danger and others are under crisis. We are losing DNA pool. That is a big loss to the life on the earth. And biological effects, we the people are going with short supply of oxygen that may reduce the physiology of brain and intelligence may decrease because the brain needs 21% oxygen to work on normal level. Therefore, the new generations may be less intelligent. The climate change is causing mutation. We are facing COVID mutation and the crisis is due to the mutation in a virus, and COVID is a result of mutation due to the climate change. We are with other sufferings of the climate change. We have to fix the responsibility of climate change. Definitely, the industrial poisoning of the atmosphere is due to industry. The big corporations and companies have taken over agriculture and industry of the world. So, the corporations are directly responsible for climate change. Now, how we can reduce the climate change and negative effects. Pakistan is directly affected by climate change, and Pakistan is taking necessary measures by plantation. We are planting new forest as with the project of billion trees. But it is not enough. We have to reduce the emission of poisonous gases. And that is the responsibility of industrial corporations. We the people of the world, the poor people of the world, are suffering more with the climate change. So we request and also protest against the climate change. Thank you.